Richard, what are Ward High Tech doing to support industry at the moment and people that are looking to purchase one of your machines?
Well, we're doing a lot of things. Traditionally, Ward High Tech has always been a stocking dealer, and at the moment we've got machines from every one of our principals in stock, from the small machines you may have seen around us to large vertical turning lathes, bed mills. So machines can go to customers very quickly, not waiting for long factory lead times. But from a financial point of view, once we've established the criteria of machine that's needed, the correct technical solution, then really we can really help then with variety of finance arrangements to suit the requirements of the customer. We can offer a rental scheme where a minimum of rental of 12 months, which if the customer is not confident about long-term requirement of the machine, he can return it, or if his market changes, his customer base changes, then he can convert that into a machine purchase. We've always had the traditional Ward High Tech of buy now, pay later, where we can work in with VAT's return requirements, a pause in the payments, so customers can actually take the machine into the factory and be actually generating income from the machine before they've got to start paying the finance. And then we've got to really the latest thing to, in line with the current market, is for a limited period 0% finance. So over a 5-year deal, that could amount to a big saving on an interest element of a given finance package.
Do you think you're unrivaled in what you can offer here at Ward High Tech, and if so, why?
Yeah, I think that we're in a unique position. We're not the biggest player in the market. We can generally look at a very bespoke package. We can put our arm around any customer, whether it's technically, engineering support, and we've got the in-house strength of our own finance division to really make a complete team approach to every aspect of a potential customer's machine purchase. And I think that's one of our strengths. And when it comes to the financing, really, although we've mentioned today 3 specific areas, if it needed it, we could look at a combination of all 3 requirements, because we really can offer that flexibility, and we've got that financial strength as a company to be able to do things.